Now come to the next topic, that is Peninsular Plateau. Before start explaining the whole concept of Peninsular Plateau, let me tell you about plateau and peninsula. What is plateau? A type of landform that looks like a huge flat table higher than the surroundings area is known as plateau. Peninsula, the area which is surrounded by water with most of the sides is known as peninsula. This is a rough diagram of the Indian map, Indian southern map. This area is known as peninsula because it is covered by water from most of the side, and the Indian peninsula is covered by water by 3 sides. Now come to the concept of peninsular plateau. Please underline this. The plateau region stretches from the central part of India to the southern tip. It is broad towards the north and narrow towards the south. You can see in this picture. This part which is colored, the whole part is peninsular plateau. It is broad from the northern and narrow to the southern tip. In this picture here, you can see the river Narmada divide the plateau in 2 different parts. This is the Central Highlands and this is the Deccan Plateau. You can also see in this diagram very clearly. This is made by me. This is river Narmada. And the upper part is Central Highland and the lower one is Deccan Plateau. The Central Highland is divided in 2 different parts, that is Malwa Plateau and the Chota Nagpur Plateau. The fine black soil of Malwa Plateau is good for growing cotton, sugarcane and oil seeds. The Chota Nagpur Plateau is rich in minerals such as coal, iron, bauxite, mica, etc. Now let me explain about the Deccan Plateau. The Deccan Plateau is also rich in the part of the Deccan. This part is also rich in minerals. Earlier, most of the gold in India come from the Kolar gold mine situated in Karnataka, that is in Deccan Plateau. Jog Fall, it is the highest waterfall in India. It is also located in Karnataka. So many other states located in Deccan Plateau like Maharashtra, Andhra Pradesh, Tamil Nadu, etc. Now, the life in Peninsular Plateau. So many states comes under the Deccan Plateau that we have studied earlier: Maharashtra, Andhra Pradesh, Jharkhand, Orissa, Madhya Pradesh. Some states are here. This table is also very important. Please have a look on this. What are the main cities of Maharashtra? What they grow, what they make, and the famous festivals. Importance of Peninsular Plateau, that I have already told you. The Peninsular Plateau is very rich in minerals. It had led to the development of many factories in this region. Please underline this: rich in minerals and development of many industries in this region. Dams built on this river of this region provide water to the crops, provide electricity using power of water. Some important crops like cotton, oilseeds, cotton. Black soil is very important for the growth of cotton. That is only found in Deccan Plateau. Oilseeds grow well in the Plateau region. Also note this one important point: Ooty, Udgam Mandal, an important hill station also located here. Here I am finishing the chapter.